Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Esa Ulva NPM 19110403343. I'm from English Education Study Program, Class 6E. Today, in this video, I will explain for final examination for subject error analysis. The task is about make mini research about error analysis. This research is use survey structure taxonomy strategies from theoretical terms or delay. My research is about an analysis grammatical error in the thesis abstract at English Department of Radio Intan State Islamic University of Lampung. Why I choose this title or make this title for my research? Because nowadays English as an international language, English become the subject in education, and it is important for students to learn and understand English well because they can communicate and also pertain with other people from around the world. In fact, the English education students who are commonly master the English language cannot avoid error in writing thesis abstract, especially in grammatical. Including structure error in abstract thesis introduction. So that's why I chose to analyze about grammatical error. Grammatical error in thesis abstract at English Department of Radio Intan State Islamic University of Lampung. There are two questions of this research, and this question also to be a reason why I do this research. The first question is, what types of grammatical error are found in thesis abstract of students at English Department of Radio Intan State Islamic University of Lampung? From this question, we can know what is the type of grammatical error that occur in thesis abstract. For the second question, what are the causes of grammatical error in thesis abstract made by English Department student of Radio Intan State Islamic University of Lampung? From this question, we can know the case of grammatical error that students make in thesis abstract. This research used theory from delay. So in this research, there are four kinds of survey structure taxonomy strategy to analyze. After do the research, I just found three kinds of survey structure taxonomy strategy. That is omission, addition, and then misformation. For misordering, I didn't find it in the thesis abstract. Okay, for doing the research, I use descriptive qualitative research, and the step for collecting the data, there is first collection of a sample of learner language. The second, identification of error, and the third, description of error, and the last is explanation error. And the source of data I took from student thesis at English Department of Radio Intan State Islamic University of Lampung. And the thesis abstract were taken from internet, that is from open access repository Radio Intan State Islamic University library website. Furthermore, I took three thesis abstracts from years 2016, 2017, and then 2019. The finding of this research, I found three kinds of survey structure taxonomy strategies. There are omission, addition, and misformation. For omission, there are 6 items, and then for addition, there are 2 items, and then for misformation, there are 3 items. For the data that was found before, the first there is omission. One of the data is the teacher could not monitor student activity well. Actually, the sentence should be the teacher could not monitor the student activity well. Student should put article the before the word student. Okay, next. There are 3 kinds of cases where students made grammatical error in thesis abstract. There are first, care learners, second, first language interference, and the last is translation. Because usually students translate like an idiom as an example, word by word. So this is make an error in the thesis abstract. Okay. That's all my explanation for the final talks. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.